Hi students, this is Arya. Welcome back to Alibros EduSoft. On the last session, we have studied the rational number and its properties. In this session, we are going to study the rational numbers and its importance. Shall we continue? Yes. First of all, start this session with the objective of this lesson. Let us see the objective of this rational numbers. Shall we continue? Yes. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to distinguish between natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and the rational numbers. Define rational numbers. Learn the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational numbers. Discuss the role of 0 and 1 for rational numbers. Explain the additive inverse and multiplicative inverse of rational numbers. Let us see the number system. Yes, real numbers can be divided into two, that are rational numbers and irrational numbers. The rational numbers can again classified into two, integers and non-integers. Integers can be divided into negative integers and the whole numbers. Non-integers can be divided into two, terminating decimal and recurring decimal. The whole numbers includes 0 and the natural numbers. Definition of rational number. What is rational number? A rational number is a number that can be written as in the simple ratio, that is P by Q form. P is an integer, Q also an integer. Remember, Q will not be equal to 0. For example, 2, 3, 1 by 4, 0.45, 6.4 and 1.732. This can be written as 2 by 1, 13 by 4, 45 by 100, 64 by 10, 1732 by 1000. These numbers are in the form of quotients or fractions. Therefore, the set of rational numbers is denoted by the capital letter Q. All natural numbers, whole numbers and integers can be written in the form of P by Q by taking the denominator as 1. So, let us see some examples. Yes, 7 is equal to 7 by 1. Minus 11 is equal to minus 11 by 1. 0 is equal to 0 by 1. So, these all are rational numbers. Shall we see the rational number in Venn diagram? Yes, let us check. The rational numbers can be expressed using Venn diagram. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and the rational numbers. Rational numbers can be expressed in the form of decimal numbers. For example, 72 by 5, 14.4 is the answer. And next one is 7 by 8, that is equal to 0.875. These two are terminating decimals. Next example, 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is equal to 0.33333, that is continuing. That is called recurring decimal. So, 0.3 bar or 0.3 dot. This can be written as 0.3 dot or 0.3 bar. These are called recurring decimals. This means that all terminating or non-terminating recurring decimal numbers are called rational numbers. How can we simplify the rational numbers? Let us check. 15 by 35, that is equal to 3 by 7. The rational number can be simplified into this form. For example, 15 by 25, that is equal to 3 by 5. Let us check the addition of rational numbers. A by B plus C by D is equal to A into D plus B into C divided by B into D. That is equal to AD plus BC by BD. Shall we see one example? Yes, let us check. 5 by 4 plus 1 by 4. The denominators are equal. So, that is equal to 5 plus 1 divided by 4. That is equal to 6 by 4 is equal to 3 by 2. Next, subtraction. Subtracting the rational numbers. How it can be subtracted? Yes, let us check. A by B minus C by D. That is equal to A into D minus B into C divided by B into D. That is equal to AD minus BC by BD. For example, 5 by 4 minus 1 by 4. That is equal to 5 minus 1 divided by 4. That is equal to 4 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 1. Multiplicating two rational numbers. Yes, let us check. A by B into C by D. That is equal to A into C divided by B into D. That is equal to AC by BD. For example, 5 by 4 into 1 by 4, that is equal to 5 into 1 divided by 16. That is equal to 5 by 16. Shall we go through the next topic, that is reciprocal. How can we find the reciprocal of a rational number? Let us check. If A is a number, then the reciprocal of A is 1 by A. The A can be written as 1 by A. It is a reciprocal of the number A. Next, can we divide two rational numbers? Yes, let us check. A by B divided by C by D. That can be written as A by B into D by C. That is equal to A into D divided by B into C. Shall we go through the role of 0 and 1 for rational numbers? Yes, let us see that. 1 by 7 plus 0 is equal to 1 by 7. Here 0 is called the additive identity of the rational number. 1 by 7 into 1, that is equal to 1 by 7. Here 1 is called the multiplicative identity of the rational number. Next, the additive and multiplicative inverse of rational number. Shall we go through this portion? Yes. 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. Here minus 1 is the additive inverse of number 1. 7 by 19 into 19 by 7 is equal to 1. That means here 19 by 7 is the multiplicative inverse of 7 by 19. Shall we convert the fraction to the decimal form? Yes. For example, 1 by 2 is a fraction. It can be converted into the decimal form. It can be written as 0.5. Let us see some examples. Yes. Decimal to fraction form. First question. Convert 0.333 etc. to a fraction. Let x be the 0.3333 and 10x equal to 3.3333 etc. Subtracting these two numbers, we will get 9x equal to 3. Here x equal to 3 by 9. We will get the fraction number as 1 by 3. Next question. Convert 1.2727 etc. to a fraction. Let x be the 1.2727 etc. 100x equal to 127.2727 etc. minus x equal to 1.2727 etc. We will get 99x is equal to 126. Here x equal to 14 by 11. From this equation, we concluded that we can convert any decimal to a fraction if it is recurring or terminating. Let us see the next section. Find two rational numbers between the rational number. How can? Yes. In between 3 and 5, we know that there is 4 is the number between 3 and 5. In between 3 and 4, what will be the number? 3.5. In between 4 and 5, the number is 4.5. Let us see with some examples. Yes. Question. Find two rational numbers between two fractions. For example, find two rational numbers between two fractions. For example, 1 by 7 and 4 by 7. There are 2 by 7 and 3 by 7. Next question. Find 6 rational numbers between two fractions. In between the two fractions, we have to find 6 rational numbers. And the fractions are 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. In between, we have to find 6 rational numbers. First of all, equalize these fractions in denominators. 1 by 2, we will get 3 by 6, multiplying 3 on both numerator as well as denominator. In 2 by 3, we have to multiply 2 on both numerator as well as denominator. So, these two fractions can be converted into the form 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. In between 3 by 6 and 4 by 6, only one number is there, that is 5 by 6. So, we cannot get the 6 rational numbers in between these two rational. In between 3 by 6 and 4 by 6, we will get only one rational number, that is 5 by 6. So, it is not possible to get 6 rational numbers in between these two fractions. So, again these fractions we have to convert into another form. In that fraction, the denominator is 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. You will get 7. So, these 7 can be multiplied on numerator and denominator on these two fractions. Let us check. 3 into 7 by 6 into 7, comma 4 into 7 by 6 into 7. We will get the fractions as 21 by 42 and 28 by 42. Here we will get 6 rational numbers between these two fractions, that are 22 by 42, 23 by 42, 24 by 42, 25 by 42, 26 by 42 and 27 by 42. Here we got 6 rational numbers between the fractions. In this session, we have studied that a rational number is a number that can be written as in the form P by Q, where Q not equal to 0. Rational numbers are commutative and associative under addition and multiplication. 0 is the additive identity for rational numbers and 1 is the multiplicative identity for rational numbers. The additive inverse of P by Q is minus P by Q and vice versa. The reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of P by Q is A by B if P by Q into A by B is equal to 1. For all the rational numbers A, B and C, A into B plus C, that is equal to AB plus BC, and A into B minus C, that is equal to AB minus BC, is known as the distributive property. The rational numbers between two given rational numbers can be found out using the idea of mean. I hope you understood this session. If you are having any doubt, please send your doubt to the below mail. Thank you.